So I've been cleaning out my backyard lately, and I have this punching bag stand right here. I mean, this punching bag here, and I'm trying to see where I could hang it. Trying to figure out where I could hang this thing without hanging it there anymore, because my dad doesn't want me to hang it here on this beam. But I do have something that might work, that just might work. Got some scrap from previous jobs, so let's get creative here and try to build. Okay, so I picked up the material here right now. So yeah, so you know, the 3x3 square tubing, the plate that's gonna be the base, the flat bar for the support beam on the bottom, the reinforcement bars, and all that stuff. So basically, here's the game plan. The game plan is basically gonna be like this. So basically, this is gonna be the middle pole here. It's gonna be 7 feet. And then we're gonna try to cut a 45 here. And then we're gonna put 2 feet up here for the support beam. Gonna put a gusset right here as well. Sorry for my crappy drawing, but I hope you get what I mean. So the gusset's gonna be right here. We're gonna put a little plate right here, drill a hole in it. That's where the bag's gonna hang. And for the plate here, we're gonna try to cut them at 45s each. So one stands like that, one stands like that at both them 3 feet, and kind of square it out with the middle here as best as we can, and try to put another bar right here, a support bar right here, and then one bar here and another one on the other side like that. And that should basically conclude the punching bag stand. And the punching bag's gonna hang right here and like that, and then maybe we could hook it up right here. So yeah, so basically that's the game plan. All right, so I got everything set up. Start cutting the material. So
92 and a quarter here. Let's mark it there. 92 and a quarter. Right here. Actually, let's mark it over here on the 16. That way it's accurate. And then come up there, mark that. And then flip the square this way. So square it this way, flip it this way, flip it this way. Cut 45. Oops. Cut at 45. I'm gonna take the oil or something. Alright, so we got it at 45 now. Okay, we're at 92 and a quarter. Alright, good. Alright, let's cut it up. It's gonna be the top, the base here, so let's cut it up at the side here. Down here. Or maybe the blades where I want to. Just do it with the chops on here. Cut it at 45. That was a little unfortunate. Shit. Whatever. Could fix it. Hey, Mom. How are you? Yes, they got on the
All right, so for the part that's gonna grab the bag, I'm gonna measure 3 inches. Let's say 3 inches here. 3 inches right there. Grab our square, mark it, and then at 2 inches here, on the 2 inches, exactly right there, we're gonna drill the hole right there. So that's where we're gonna drill the hole. So let me get a grinder, cut it out, or first I'll drill it and then grind it out. So I have a proper drill bit here. Do a little bigger. It's probably would do. All right, I got the hook drilled. So did pretty good with the Milwaukee here and the weld. So we're gonna, okay, so this is the plan now. So as I cut my pieces, I'm gonna leave this for very last. I'll cut them at the very end. And I also got the base plates cut out, so I'm gonna do some grinding. I'm gonna put away the oxyacetylene because we're done with it, and we're gonna start welding here in a few minutes. Just by positioning them together, I can see the stand coming to life little by little. So I'm gonna bevel this, try to put a full penetrator root. I'm gonna do open root instead. No backing, just for, you know, it's ain't fucking structural. But anyway, it's coming to life. It's not square, but as you can see, it's started to come. Like, it started to come alive. So let me do a little bit more grinding, maybe tacking, and then we'll bevel that part and tack everything else. Okay, there it is. Got it beveled out. Not the best bevel in the world, and all by all.
One more pass. One more pass.
All right, there she is, complete. Not the best welds in the world, but it's gonna hold. So yeah, that's my punching bag stand. I just came to test it real quick, so I'm gonna put a cap right there temporarily. I want to see if I can fill it up with sand or cement or concrete. Yeah, concrete or sand, so it's heavier right here. Because I'll show you a video of me punching it real quick and show you. So here's the bag right now, and I'm gonna try to punch it a few times. See how flimsy it is? I might add tubes here so I can secure some weights on. So I'm gonna try to see if we can get some weights, but yeah, I think all I gotta do is weld that top thing up there. And that's it.